Hi, my name is Alison Layton and I'm the creator of the Castorvida Castor Oil Packs. Inside your pack you'll find your castor oil pack, your organic Castorvida Castor Oil, as well as a leaflet. Today I'll be showing you how to use your pack, where to apply it and how to care for it. Ready to use the Castorvida Castor Oil pack, lay it on a flat surface. If using for the first time, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic Castorvida Castor Oil and add it to the middle of the pack. After that, you'll be able to use 1 tablespoon or less. Avoid any contact with the seams. Once you've added the oil, you will fold your pack in half and spread the oil evenly. Once you've added the oil and spread it evenly, you are ready to use your pack. You can use it on your abdomen or lower abdomen or across your liver area. You can also use the pack on any part of your body that experiences aches or pains. To secure your pack in place, take the ribbon and either tie it at the back or bring the ribbon to the front and tie it at the front. If you need a pack with a longer strap, they are available on the website. Do the same with your lower ribbon, tying it either at the back or the front. Make sure that there is no item of clothing or fabric touching your pack, as castor oil will stain. For added comfort, you can add a hot water bottle or heat pack and place it in between the strap and the pack. Once you've removed your pack, use a soapy flannel to wipe off any excess residue oil. It is recommended to wash your pack after every 10 to 15 uses. At this point, your pack will be quite heavy and saturated with oil. Place your pack, oil side facing up, in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda on the oil side. Sprinkle it on evenly. Then add warm water to cover. Soak for a couple of hours or overnight. Pack's been soaking, drain it and then add the pack to warm soapy water to hand wash. Repeat the process if need be. Wring it out and dry on a flat surface. Once the pack is dried, it is ready to be used again. When you've finished using your pack, fold it in half and then in a quarter, making sure no oil is touching the outer sides or the ribbon, and then you can store it in your Castorvida container.